elastic file system is a file storage system for EC2 instances. It is a simple, scalable, and fully managed network file system for use with AWS resources. It is managed in the sense that it can be mounted on many EC2 instances. So it has a one-to-many mapping with EC2 instances. It is a regional service and it works across multiple AZs or availability zones for high availability and durability. It is highly scalable, available, and it is expensive. It's about 3 times the cost of a general purpose SSD. So within every subnet, an EFS creates mount targets for instances to be mounted onto. Some use cases for EFS, content management, data sharing, WordPress, and web serving. So EFS uses the network file system or the NFS version 4 protocol. EC2 instances can access EFS across availability zones, across regions and VPCs, while on-premise servers can access EFS using AWS Direct Connect or VPN. EFS is compatible with Linux-based AMI and not Windows. For Windows, the file system is Amazon FSX. So for Windows and Lustre, the file system is FSX, while for Linux-based AMI, it is EFS. Encryption at rest of EFS uses the key management system within the AWS system, and file systems can scale automatically up to petabytes of data. And EFS, they work on a pay-per-use, so there is no capacity planning, so you can plan ahead on how much you want to use. So you pay for what you use on the EFS storage system. And the EFS is able to provide a read after write consistency as well. So here we have a picture of an EFS system, and we have different availability zones. We have US West 2A, US West 2B, and US West 2C. Now, within each availability zone, you have a subnet. And the EFS system is able to create mount targets within each subnet. So we have these different mount targets here. And with the mount targets, the EC2 instances are able to attach onto the mount targets. And that's how they connect onto the Amazon EFS system.